Hello there, and welcome to Spatial Reasoning Test 2. So let's look at the example first of all. So it says, work out how the figure shown below will look when folded along a dotted line. The fold should be made towards the dotted line and not away from the dotted line. So let's look at the example. So here we've got this pentagon, okay? And you can see that right in the middle, we've got that particular fold, and that's the dotted fold that we were talking about. So what we need to do is we need to fold along the dotted line towards the dotted line and not away from the dotted line. So in this case, let's fold this shape this way to the left. Now, when we fold this shape to the left, this is what we end up with. Answer A. If you try and fold that shape any other way, it will not give us B, it will not give us C, and it most definitely will not give us D either. Okay, so you have to use the similar technique with the rest of the questions, and these particular questions are all about folding the particular shapes. Good luck with these.